A wood lathe is an essential tool for wood turning, but what exactly does it do? Let's explore how it works and how to get started. What is a wood lathe? A wood lathe is a tool that rotates wood on an axis while you shape it with various cutting tools. It's primarily used in the craft of wood turning, where the rotating wood is carved, shaped, or hollowed into objects like bowls, furniture parts, and decorative pieces. The lathe itself consists of a rotating spindle and adjustable supports to hold the workpiece securely in place. This machine enables woodworkers to create both functional and artistic items with precision, making it a fundamental piece of equipment for turning wood into a range of shapes. How does a wood lathe work? To use a wood lathe, the wood is mounted on the spindle or a chuck, which holds it in place while it spins. The operator applies different tools to the spinning wood to shape, carve, or hollow it. As the wood rotates, cutting tools such as gouges, chisels, and scrapers are held against the surface to carve it into a desired shape. The speed of the lathe can be adjusted to suit the material and the specific task. This spinning process makes it easier to create smooth, uniform curves and detailed, intricate designs. Types of wood lathes. There are two primary types of wood lathes: benchtop lathes and full-size lathes. Benchtop lathes are smaller, more affordable, and ideal for beginners or smaller projects like tool handles or small bowls. Full-size lathes, on the other hand, are more powerful and suitable for professional woodturners or larger projects, such as big furniture parts or intricate hollow forms. The size and power of the lathe should be chosen based on the complexity of the project you plan to work on. Essential tools for wood turning. Wood turning requires several specialized tools to shape the wood properly. Gouges are used for rough shaping and removing large amounts of wood quickly. Chisels are great for fine details and smoothing surfaces. Scrapers help to refine the wood's surface and remove small imperfections. Each tool serves a specific purpose and can be used to achieve different finishes, from roughing out basic shapes to adding intricate details and smooth surfaces. It's important to choose high-quality tools for better precision and safety while working on the lathe. A wood lathe opens up countless creative possibilities for woodworking. With the right tools and practice, you can make beautiful, functional pieces.